Hello and good evening, sir. My name is Ashima Kumar. My material number will be 2010911049, and I'm from Group 4, and our group name is Peacemaker. And our group title is Installation of New Energy Savings LED Lighting for Unimap Buildings. Next, scope of work. The scope of this project is the building of University Malaysia Perlis, which is our Unimap's building. Electron in the semiconductor recombines with electron holes, releasing energy in the form of photons. The color of the light is determined by the energy required for electrons to cross the band of gap of the semiconductor. LEDs have many advantages over incandescent light sources, including lower power consumption, longer lifetime, improved physical robustness, smaller size, and faster switching. Now I will talk about specification. A LED is a semiconductor device that emits lights when current flows through it. I will talk about project description. In project description, there are three, which is specification, objective, and scope of work. Next, I will talk about objective. Objective for this is to reduce energy bills. Reduce the environmental impact of their operations or facilities, and look for opportunities for energy savings and the cost of savings. The installation of new energy savings LED lightings will be Unimap's building, and is to reduce the cost of electricity throughout our Unimap buildings. All campus buildings are included in this energy saving installation. The scope of this project includes all the electric items in our Unimap buildings throughout entire facilities of Unimap's buildings. Thank you. That's all from me.
Now I'm going to explain about the budget. For the project, the budget is a main thing because it is determined the process of aggregating the estimate cost of individual activities or work packages to establish an authorized cost baseline. The key benefit of this process is that it determines the cost baseline against which project performance can be monitored and controlled. So I and my teammates did a budget for all the things we did. So basically we determined the budget for the material cost, labor cost, equipment, rental cost, transportation, and few more. So I'd like to tell some budgets of our plan. So for example, for inspection on building, we budget 2,000. It is for bringing someone who is a professional in this and check the building. Then we also budget 36,000 in procure new loads like LED and casings and the equipment needed. And that is the highest budget for our project. Now I would like to explain about the linear responsibility chart. So from the table you can see my linear responsibility chart for this project. And usually this linear responsibility chart established for clear structure assigned and keeps track of who is doing what. It's vital for clarifying working relationship and making sure there are no gaps in the work breakdown structure. So this is an important thing to finish a project perfectly without any time delay. So from the table you can know who is responsible for which part and who is responsible for inform which part on. So that's all. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Hari Arsudan, son of Agilan. My metric number is 2010900963. So from the subject management. So today I want to talk about network diagram. So from the network diagram, the first part is AON diagram. Okay, the network diagram is which the nodes represents the various activities and the arrow shows the logical connections between them. AON diagram show 4 different types of relationships: start to start, start to finish, finish to start, and finish to finish. Where activity on arrow diagram only shows finish to start relationship. A predance diagramming technique known as activity on node in project management refers to the usage of boxes to represent scheduling activities. Okay, the second part is EST, EFT, LST, and LFT. So the abbreviation of them stand for early start time, early finish time, latest start time, and latest finish time, respectively. EST and EFT are typically visible from the starting position. The earliest start time in activity A is 0 and the earliest finish time is 1.
Hi, my name is Tanas Rao. So I'm going to explain a critical part of our project. The term float, commonly referred to as slack, is used in project management to describe the amount of time work can be delayed without having an adverse effect on succeeding tasks or the project overall completion. It's crucial to keep track of when your project timeline is being followed. In the text, the slack has been estimated above. Our key pathway are A, B, C, D, E, as seen in the table above. So project duration is determined by a series of interdependent tasks known as a critical path. The critical root task must be completed in as a specific order for the project to be completed. When a task is on a critical path, its float value is 0, indicating that there are no delay in the order of execution. These activities must be completed in allotted time. If one is delayed, the entire project will be as well. In a nutshell, the project must be finished is no less than 15 days. So this is our Gantt chart. So almost we have a 13 tasks so that we need to finish in 15 days that we allocated our allocated time to this project, almost 15 days. So our this is our Gantt chart. Below are the tasks as you can see in the video. So that's all my presentation. Thank you.
The conclusion of our project. Day by day, the usage of electricity increases globally due to the ever-increasing demand in the developed and developing countries. One of the first options to save energy is to use the energy-efficient electrical appliances, among which lighting system has a great potential on saving energy. The present project is focused on the selected building in the Unimap, with the objective of designing a proper retrofit scenario and calculate the potential electricity saving, the payback period, and the potential environment benefits. In this project, the energy saving and emission reduction have been analyzed based on the comparison between the existing lighting system and the proposed LED retrofitting. The result of the life cycle, the selected building will bring profit for the investment. LED lightings are much more energy efficient compared to the existing normal lighting system. By retrofitting 100% of the existing lighting system with the new LED lights, around 44% saving of energy can be saved. As a conclusion, installation of new energy saving LED lightings for Unimap's building is being done successfully. In the other hand, installation of new energy saving LED lightings for Unimap's building will help Unimap to reduce energy usage in their building, conserve energy, improve energy efficiency, and thereby we can minimize their electrical energy and the cost of savings.